How to delete all check-ins on Facebook. Let's get started. First thing first, head over to your application Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then move into your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap on this three dot over here. Head over to Activity Log. Simply head over to Activity History. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on Space. Tap on Filters, and then click on Categories. Tap on your Facebook activity at the top. Move into Posts, and then head over to Check-ins. In this page, it will show you all the list of the check-ins that you have it on Facebook. If you want to delete, simply tap on the three dot and click on Delete. After that, all of the check-ins will be deleted successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.